Fuck, it's fucked up. Fucked up. Ah,
This is Tim. He's a cringe victim.
hey, sorry. Oh, fuck, that was too hard.
As in, he's so worried of what people think about him that he's constantly cringing inside. But by the end of this day, he's gonna be a cringe expert. Now, where does this feeling come from?
Hey, sorry. I don't want to be weird, but
What's up?
Fear. Fear of the people around you when you approach that girl. Fear of her in front of you looking like you're an idiot, or fear of running out of things to say.
ah, fuck. Fuck, I'm not doing it.
Now, what's the opposite of fear? Freedom.
I think you look amazing,
Thank you
so I
very
wanted
much.
to say hi.
Hi.
I'm Tim. Nice to meet you.
Now, Tim here is using my proven and tested social freedom exercises to liberate himself from these fears, to break through and learn to approach and communicate with women on the street in a relaxed, authentic way. So in this video, I want to show how you also can take off that fake mask, embrace the cringe, and be your raw, authentic self with women for the rest of your life. So let's go. Why would anybody pay me thousands of dollars to come and get embarrassed with these silly exercises on the street?
Would you marry me?
I have a boyfriend.
Aww.
Do you have anxiety at parties? You know, you walk in and you kind of don't know anyone and you don't know what to do with your hands and where to sit or to stand or to get a drink or go to the toilet first. Do you feel awkward at dates when it kind of comes to escalation and going for the kiss? Are you worried what people think about you in a daily life, but especially when it comes to approaching women? And are you just too terrified to make that step and make that approach? Now, let me tell you, I've been struggling with these exact problems for years in my early 20s. I was so frustrated that for some reason, for other guys, it was so easy, so smooth to interact. They walked into a social event and they seemed to just flow. And I felt stuck and I needed like 5 beers to even warm up. And the thought of meeting a woman on the street, even though I saw, you know, beautiful ladies walk past me day to day, was just completely out of my reality. And I worked really, really hard to get to a point to overcome all these internal barriers. The way to think about this is we basically have 2 versions to ourselves. We have the friendly version, who's wearing a mask, who wants to fit in. And when we take it off, we got the authentic self, our real self, so to say. So let's compare the 2 side by side. So first, we obviously have the version of you that is wearing the friendly mask. This is the people-pleasing version of yourself. You never have any conflict, you try to avoid any type of drama, you just don't want to bump into anyone, you don't want to disturb anyone, and you don't want anyone to think badly of you or anything negative. You try to blend in, you try to stay unnoticed, and you try to never draw any attention on you as well. Now, that sounds kind of cute, but then that's the problem with women. They see you as the nice guy, you know, he's cool, I like him, he's a good friend. Would you date him though? No, absolutely not. Why not? You know, it just doesn't have it. There's no spark. I just don't feel it with him, you know, like I do with other guys. Let me know below if you can relate to that. Now, on the other hand, we got your raw, authentic self. You say it how it is. You are, in a way, unfiltered without obviously trying to be rude or hurting someone's feeling on purpose. You speak your mind, so to say. You are brave and courageous. If you disagree with people, you let them know in a calibrated way, and you're ready to take risks of any form. And women feel that energy. They're drawn to that energy because at the end of the day, because they can trust you. They can trust you to be yourself because they see that you took off your mask and now they can proceed getting to know you, not the fake version of yourself. So what helped me personally to get out of that situation and liberate myself from all these fears? It's called the concept of social freedom. Basically, you accept at some point that people will always judge you, that cringe is a part of life, and the only way to deal with it is embrace it. Especially these days where we live in huge cities, where you can be anonymous, where you can approach a girl, get rejected, whatever that means, and you're fine. Nobody cares, nobody remembers. Life just moves on. And that's an incredibly powerful concept that enables you to actually take the mask off and just be yourself. And by doing that, raise the chances to find a girl who actually likes you for you.
And we started with some social freedom, which was challenging, but in the end it was okay. And then I did this approach. It wasn't even that challenging anymore because of the social freedom. So the approach itself was fine, and then we had some very normal conversation.
So as you can see on this part of the workshop, it was the first day of a 3-day boot camp that I'm running. We're in the social freedom drill section. And I got some hate about this in the comments, but keep in mind, people who comment on YouTube videos are not the type of people who actually take action and test things in the real world. So from my point of view, 8 years of experience in approaching, coaching hundreds of guys in various cities, these exercises are incredible to challenge one particular fear one by one. So in this one, for example, you go on your knees and you ask a woman to marry you, to expose yourself on purpose, because obviously it's quite the movement, right? It draws attention. But if you ever do it, you will realize that the most attention you will get from strangers is for 3 or 4 seconds, then they just keep walking. And the reaction of the woman isn't outrageous. She doesn't think she's getting pranked or she's some part of some evil plan. She will smile, she will laugh. If you have the timing right, you're actually going through quite an attractive moment, because you build anticipation and you build pressure, and then you release it with that joke. So as I said, we have many exercises. We're not going to show all of them here now, but after doing these drills for an hour or 2, you will come out of it like a new man. You will realize, oh my God, everything I've been so afraid of for years and decades is fake. It's just in my head. It's not grounded in reality. People actually don't care. I could have just been myself the whole time. But you have to know it and feel it by interacting with real people in the real world. And I can help you do that and push you a little bit into the right direction and create a safe space for you to do so. So now let's look at interaction that Tim had on the same day, but after doing the social freedom exercises. And let me know if you notice any shift in his attitude, in his voice, maybe in his body language.
Even after the social freedom, I was still a bit hesitant, like I usually am, about approaching, but then once I actually did it, it wasn't such a big deal after all, and I'm quite happy to have actually done it. Yeah. Hey, sorry. This is a bit random, but I saw you were walking past, and I think you look amazing.
Oh,
so I wanted to say hi.
Hi. Hello.
I am Tim.
Tim, nice to meet you.
Nice
Tim.
to meet you. Where are you going?
I am gonna find my way to Old Town.
Oh, I've seen it, recommended by a friend of mine. I've never been there.
Okay.
Is it
Where
nice?
Are you from?
I'm from the Netherlands.
You're from the Netherlands. I'm on my way to Belgium, but I will drop by Amsterdam.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I live there. That's quite
Oh,
nice.
nice.
Why you go to Amsterdam for?
Just to change trains.
Ah, no.
Yeah.
But you have time to view the city?
No, but I've been there many times, so it's fine. No
Oh, that's nice.
What are you doing in Warsaw?
Visiting some friends actually.
Oh, nice.
It's quite nice. Yeah, now chilling, the weather is amazing, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Do you travel a lot?
I do, yeah.
What for? Me? Yeah, occasionally. I was in Argentina 2 months ago, so it was really nice.
You're in Argentina?
Yeah,
I see.
but now I'm here. Usually I'm in Amsterdam.
You're usually in Amsterdam. Nice,
Yeah.
I like Amsterdam. When it's not cold and windy.
What do you like about it?
The water?
Oh, the canals?
Yes.
Oh, those are very nice. That is true.
Yeah, and the shrooms.
Oh, you like tripping? That's
Yeah.
also nice. Do you like the water or the shrooms more?
I like the shrooms.
Okay.
What about you?
I also like the shrooms. Okay, fair enough.
Nice. Nice. It's been a lovely chat.
If you want, we can have a drink sometime in Amsterdam.
Sure. Or in Belgium. I'm more in Belgium than
Are you Belgian based?
say.
Do you live in Belgium?
I used to, so I travel a lot.
Do you speak Dutch?
Een beetje.
Een beetje. Oh, that's great. Geweldig.
Yeah.
Okay, we can exchange the Instagram and we'll see.
Okay. Oh my god, my Instagram is very scary.
What about it? Then you can add me. Nice. What are you doing here then? Do you live here?
No, I'm going to Berlin.
Moving there?
I live in Lithuania. I am going to Berlin by train.
I actually looked going here by train, but it's terrible.
From Amsterdam.
Yeah, because like everything east of Germany is super difficult with train.
It is. I'm gonna take a train to Berlin, sleep there, and then another train to Amsterdam, and then another train to Antwerp.
Yeah, that's terrible.
Okay, well, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
And we'll see each other.
Maybe see you
I guess.
soon.
Bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, I was a bit hesitant, especially with these people on the terrace on the left, so I waited a little bit, but then still did it, which was, yeah, I'm quite happy about that, because she was quite open about it. She was very friendly and also traveling, so therefore a bit more open about meeting up later, maybe somewhere else. So the funny thing is, I'm only 1 hour in and already have like potential date with this girl. We'll see where it goes, so that's pretty cool. She was very cute. She was very open and friendly about and responsive. She was asking me things as well. She was invested, which was really nice. Yeah.
Amazing. It's day one of Tim and he's already getting numbers and beautiful ladies excited to meet him for a date. I mean, it's insane. Imagine you would arrive at a completely new place and within 24 hours you have options to go on dates, be sensual, be intimate, be around feminine energy. When was the last time you went on a date? Or how many dates you've been on in the last 6 months? And if the number is way smaller than you want it to be, why is that? Why are you not focusing on that part of your life? Intimacy is a priority. Being social is the most important thing as humans. Having a relationship is what keeps us healthy. There's even science about that. Like, healthy relationships is the biggest longevity factor in the world. So if the thing that holds you back is internal and you need a push, come to us, we'll help you. We'll take you through this transformation, either on a live bootcamp or through a long-term mentoring. We're very skilled at what we do. We do it multiple times a year. If you want to check the workshop schedule, you can click below and apply to reserve a spot, or simply have a call with us to see if it's a fit. We do these consultation calls to basically check, can we help you? What situation are you in specifically? Can this work out? How would we exactly work with you? Because at this stage in the coaching company, I'm only offering specific mentoring, very detailed and nuanced and personalized to each customer. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of Tim, comment below, give him some thumbs up, because it obviously takes fucking balls to put yourself out there on camera. And I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.